Okay, so that's our vision. Now we have discussed, we have the last video we have shown, last minute mission, vision. From mission, vision develop.
Coach.
Huh?
Coach.
Coaching. The same thing. Let me discuss about vision, mission. Mission I told, vision is clear to become a global leader for tomorrow. Leadership cannot happen. See, life. One more thing you need to have, you need to understand. What is life? If I ask you, life क्या है? राजा और लाइफ का मीनिंग क्या है?
Life is a little thing. आज है कल नहीं है.
अच्छा, illusion. Life is an illusion. In physiologically, philosophically, I can say life is an illusion. जो चीज दिखाई दे रहा है actually वो नहीं है. There is nothing permanent in life. All are transit. If we believe life like that, Ratan Tata, all we know, is the social leader, the founder, chairman, not for chairman, founder. He was the chairman of Tata. What Ratan Tata has told about struggle, you know? This is a machine, monitoring machine of our heart. Consider it. Heart, cardiac. जब बीमार पड़ जाओगे हॉस्पिटल में, इलाज होगा, you will be taken admission to hospital. You will be constantly observing, monitoring under a
Camera.
under a not camera, that is a device. You know, so your heartbeat ECG machine. Have you seen ECG machine?
ECG.
ECG,
Yes.
echocardiogram,
Echocardiography.
cardiography. You will find in ECG machine these are the big lines. This line means your heart. हम लोग का हार्ट क्या है? बिप बिप करता है, सिस्टोल एंड डायस्टोल. अंदर से आता है ना एक आवाज.
Yes sir.
वो आ रहा है ये बोल के दिस ग्राफ इज अप्स एंड डाउन्स हो रहा है, ऊपर नीचे हो रहा है. दैट मींस यू आर लाइफ. तुम जिंदा है.
Life.
जब मर जाओगे, आदमी मर गया 2 घंटे 1 घंटे में,
प्लेन हो जाता
तो
है.
पूरा क्या हो जाएगा ये?
ना सर वैसे नहीं हो, पूरा प्लेन हो जाएगा.
यही तो.
वैसे नहीं होगा. सिंपल.
हम इसका साथ इसका कंपेयर कर रहे हैं. ऐसे ही सिंपल बन स्ट्रेट लाइन बन जाएगा.
लाइक अ क्रिकेट मैच ये जैसे
हाँ.
कोई बैट्समैन आउट होता है तो उसका एज देखा जाता है.
यस.
अगर बॉल नहीं लगता है
तो
तो
ये
plane
दोनों
है.
रेखा से फ्रॉम दिस टू लाइन व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट लाइफ? क्वेश्चंस टू यू.
Life is a cycle.
Ronak will explain now. I will call upon Mr. Ronak, one of our member, the visiting member, to come and explain about his philosophy and this line, followed by Raja. Raja ko I will ask him to speak in Hindi, or if you can't speak English, Ronak will explain in 5 minutes to all of us about his life and what do he understand about life and wisdomanious philosophy of our vision and mission by illustrating these 2 lines of ECG machine. Let's welcome Ron on the dais.
So
Just explain what you, and I have just told what to understand.
Good morning everyone. I am Yuvraj Singh. I have come after 2 months late lockdown. Now almost lockdown is over in our West Bengal, but we are ready. We are wisdomary. We follow our rules to social distancing and sanitization and put the face on mask. And we also doing at every 20 minutes to clean our hands. Now we have discussed about in life. Life is very simple things. Life is very clear to which is what is from here. Normal thinking is normal language is God gifted. One type of God gifted. But life is change our way. now everything is doing by machine because of life. If life is not born in earth, we don't have in this position. We don't have mobile phone, camera, anything, electronic gadgets. We don't have made. But slowly we are generating new things because of our life and mentality to changing our thinking also. Day by
So
day.
could you explain that line, ECG line? I told you have to explain our vision and mission through this line, or what do you understand about life through this line which we have been discussing through this line?
Science.
Okay, I think you will take some time to make his understand. Okay, now please come. I will explain. And now Raja, you please go. Achha, theek hai. We will bring Raja later. Okay. Now I mean to say, now learn this art of taking class. I told you teaching is always, teachers are born psychologists. Teachers are doctors always. Remember that. जो अच्छा teacher, how to become a good teacher for tomorrow. The skill, teaching is the greatest skill what I found after I became professor. Now, this I explain. What is, I am explaining ECG machines through life. What Ratan Tata told. These lines are ups and downs line, that means your life. What does it mean? Means ups and downs.
You move like your body is moving.
Ups and downs is a part and parcel of life. Ups matlab success, down matlab failure. Success and failure
became a life.
both brother and sister in life. If you get ups always, means if you get success always, that's means there is something wrong, you will become mad. So in anybody's life, there will be no always ups or always down. But if you consider both these two as your both good friend, you will be never be pain. PAIN. दर्द नहीं होगा कभी.
Because we are failure and
Because if you can enjoy your failure and get a message from your failure, because then you can know your life. Your heart is life because there is ups and downs only. But if you have a straight line here, straight line always design and symbol, that means you are nowhere, you have died. तुम मर गया है, है क्या नहीं?
yes.
तो जिंदगी में कभी ups नहीं होता है only, और कभी
Now I am
downs नहीं
understanding.
होता.
Now I am understanding of these things. In straight line, we don't have straight. We all are doing straight lines. We all people. Simple life called straight line. We don't have extra ये.
देखो सचिन तेंदुलकर 80% फेलियर है, 20% सक्सेस है.
But he was God.
He is considered God. Don Badman लास्ट इनिंग्स में 0 किया है. His average is 99.999 in the test match. But he made many zeros. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है हर मैच में वो सेंचुरी किया है.
Yes, sir.
किसी मैच में वो 300 बनाया, दिस इज एवरेज. किसी मैच में वो 0 भी बनाया, किसी मैच में वो 400 बनाया. सपोज एक मैच में वो, अगर मैं ऐसे मान के चलता हूँ, if I take like that, one match, the one test match he made 100, one test match he made 0, one test match he made 20, one test match he made 55, one test match he made 350, one test match he made 400. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 test match he played. What is his average? 120 at 55, 75, 430, 700, no?
400, 425 and 400.
What will be total?
825.
800?
No, 925.
750, 800 820 800 920 925 925 रन टोटल हो रहा है 6 मैच में 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 6 कितना होता है 4 4 4 3 154. See, his average run comes 154
at every match.
at every match. So what human will say? He is a god because every match he makes century. Actually not. How beautiful life is. Am I right or not?
Yes. But
So
difference.
everything called law of average.
But difference of Sachin and Don Badman, it's a difficult. If Sachin is playing in difficult situation, good playing.
No, the difficulty is now there. 154. Now the different. I'm not discussing about Don Blackman and Sachin. You cannot discuss compare between them because they played in two different situations.
Yes.
When Don Blackman played, there was no pitch cover, there was no helmet, and there is a body line game. Don Blackman, you cannot compare Don Blackman to Sachin. Don Blackman is more than God. He is something different. Okay, I'm telling you. But what do you get an example from that? Understand from that. Person's life, we have the ups and downs always, but we need to be consistent. We should not get stopped.
If we are inconsistent, then we are not.
Only
leader.
problem, I have told you, one match, this is average, no? One match you played 101, another is 0, another is 0, another is 0. This is 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 match, your run will be 101. This is batsman wrong, this is batsman number 1. If I batsman number 2 play 101 plus 0 plus 101 plus 20 plus 0. What will be that? 200, 222. 100, 100, 200, 222. It will be divided by 5, it will be divided by 5. What will be its average? 20. It will be average 42. The difference, देखो. This batsman also a good batsman, this batsman also a very good batsman. But what are the difference? इसमें क्या फर्क नजर आता है?
Second batsman is very good because every match he is consistent.
Yes, the word term consistency, regularity.
He is every match 20, 10, any run, but he don't.
He made more 0, but his first debut match he made a century.
That is not matter because first centuries is not matter.
Yes, there are many promising cricketer I know.
If
They
you
made, I'm telling you, there was a person with Sachin. They both retired in same time. Vinod Kambli.
Yes sir.
He also made 2 consecutive century in his debut match. 2. Mohammad Azharuddin is the only batsman in India who made 3 century in his debut match. Saurabh Ganguly made 2 century consecutively in his debut match. First test, second test. Vinod Kambli also 2 double-handed in 2 match.
But
But
highest,
where is Vinod Kambli now and where is Sachin Tendulkar now?
but highest record is 525 runs in one West Indies
That
player.
is Lada, Brian Lada. 400. No, I'm not talking about debut. Debut means first match in
Yes.
career.
Yes sir.
Debut match. I'm talking about debut match. Now, this person also debuted in the same test. This person, look at his average. Look at why.
Because
Average is being counted in life.
because he was a consistent person in our match. He was doing at every match up to 20 runs because if he was out in 0 run, then people get EA.
So in your life, that's why Wisdomania is all about. Our mission we carry. Ups and downs is a part and parcel of life. अगर ये जो if you fall after playing 5 test match, if you I will not fit for here. Then gone. My questions is here to make you understand, never give up. That is a good habit. Saturday is a habit building session. First habit start from mind. Mind gives you think. Think gives you action. Action gives you result. This is the actually circle. First in Wisdomania we are developing our mind. What mind? We will never consider failure. We will be consistent. We will go by average. Average means, remember, average means sum up. Sum करते करते average. Sum करते करते average होता है. एक 0 भी होगा, एक 100 भी होगा. Ups and downs. That's why life is ups and downs. Topsy-turvy.
If life is not ups and downs, then
It will be boring.
boring and
Monotonous. Boring. Boring.
It will be boring life.
If you can't do same thing same way, हर दिन तुमको बिरयानी दिया जाएगा, you cannot eat after 3 days.
But if you daily change your food, one day biryani, one day
Yes.
normal.
Yes. So remember your failure. Like I am trying to make you understand, Raja, you should enjoy your failure, but you should on the same time get a message from failure. If you think that people commit suicide only because of that, they think there is no hope.
Because
There is no solution.
they are boring this life.
They feel bored.
Because they don't have up and down.
This is the inner skill. So, what do you require when you are down? That is also. So mind makes things, things makes action, action is there. Now it is very important how to build a habit. This is habit.
If you change your mind, then
When you are fail, you require good ecosystem. What is ecosystem? Your
family.
your friend. They should always encourage you. Like Siddharth, I am simply one of our wisdomanic, Siddharth. He is changing his mind very much that he will do engineering, he will do medical, he will go for actuarial science, he will go for statistician. But as a family,